Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different. If you guys haven't already seen my Hawaii vlog, it is up. Be sure to check that out. But in the meantime, if you guys are new, I'm here in Hawaii. My name is PatrickStarrr, and we are doing a makeup tutorial in virtual reality where you can see literally everything on the table. So if you tap your phone or move your phone around or iPad, wherever you're watching from, or scroll, you can literally see everything here. You can see my bedroom. It is just so cool. So I've never tried this on my channel, so I wanted to see if you guys would like something like this. If you guys like something like this, sound off down below. If you guys like the old version, this is not something new. This is something that I would just throw on my channel just because it's something different, and I'm in a beautiful place, in a beautiful room, in a beautiful setting where I can just show you how to do my makeup. So yeah, my family is also here too. This is our first ever family vacation. Yeah, they might be running around. My friends Ron and Fabian are here as well. My brothers Peter and Paul are here, and again my mom and dad is here, so they'll probably be going in and out. My mom will be glamming in my bathroom because it has like the best lighting as far as the mirror situation. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and beat my face. Oh, and today we are doing family photos. Ooh, a lot of foundation. Ooh. And today we're shooting with a Zcam K1 Pro. I thought about doing a hotel suite tour because we got hooked up with the presidential suite here at the Four Seasons in Oahu. But if you guys want to see the actual full review, you can go ahead and check out my vlog. Here, it's just something more simple. Alright guys, we are accommodating MamaStarrr because we want you guys to see her up in the gig. So might as well while she's here. Oh, if you guys want to know, my bathing suit is from Forever 21. It's this beautiful yellow. And then my shorts here, they're high-waisted shorts. They are also from Forever 21, and I'm in a size 3X. Love their stuff. Love it so much. Do you hear her back there? I've been loving this concealer, Honey by Oma, the Woke concealer. So good. So next I'm going to take some full coverage concealer. If you guys want to see a foundation routine, y'all know where to find it on my channel. And just in case it rains or it's hot today, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and smack this on and beat my face. Alright guys, so I do want to mention that when you guys move your phone around to my mess, there is not really a system. I just have my case right here. Don't know. And then I have my powders and stuff right here. I've been doing better. I normally would put, if you guys look down here, I would normally put my powder like and dump it on the table, but I've been seeing, why is my mascara curler, my lash curler down here? I would normally dump my powders, my loose powders, and put it on the table, but I've been so much better that I've been able to put it in my air spun lid right here. Look, I have scissors down here, my mask. Oh, there goes a palette. I got my wigs right here on the table. I know y'all love to be nosy because I'm the same way. And then on this table is kind of like my catch-all table. It literally catches all. And there's a little movie theater next door, so I don't know if the camera can see, but it can. There's a little door out here leading to the theater. And then also, I stole these tables from the theater. Oh, who goes there? Behind door number 1. Who is it? Paul, say hi.
Hi. How's it going?
We're here on VR.
Oh, VR.
Yeah, virtual reality, honey. We stepping up our game. Yeah, if you stand over there, they could probably see you.
There's Dad.
Do you see? Yeah, if you scroll over, guys, Dad is over there too. VR is the future. VR is crazy. Alright guys, look, I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender. Here's my air spun, and here is my Ben Nye. I will dab a little bit of both and quickly set under the eye. The last time I was in Hawaii was with Peter in 2016. We went with 2 other beauty brands, and that was like in the same month. So it's really cool to kind of like come back and actually vacation. I'm gonna tell y'all, these influencer trips, sometimes they be so packed and so crazy, and it looks like we are having the best times of our lives, but there's a lot of scheduling that happens because, you know, they want to put events and activities. And this trip has been so much more relaxed, like, you know.
Family vacation.
It's family vacation. Yesterday, we just laid out at the pool all day, and it was really fun. And from our balcony, we were able to watch the luau from downstairs that we didn't happen to pay for, so it's kind of like we got like a free show. It's kind of funny. I know, y'all, this is like, why the hell is she trying to get up in Hawaii? Because, you know, we are taking family pictures on our vacation. We're gonna probably go visit or try to visit the botanical gardens, and then I booked a photographer today so we could Go shoot. My tan is coming off and it looks like a cleavage. So funny. What are you eating? Colina sunrise breakfast. Cute. You know, guys, Paul and I are the last ones to be, well, the last siblings to be standing that aren't vegan.
There's only one that is vegan.
Every time Peter gets like something unique, he tries to flex on us and be like, these chia seeds.
This
He
oatmeal.
d-
This is coconut oatmeal. This chicken sausage.
Orange juice
Okay.
has an alcohol.
Dad's doing mimosas this morning. I would never go vegan. I'll probably do it for a day and then go back.
Vegan challenge, 7 days.
You think I should do a vegan challenge? Guys, this shadow is everything, let me tell you. She is cute. She gives me like vacation colors. Alright guys, we are back. We have someone next to me. If you guys swipe your phone, y'all see who it is. Ooh, wow.
I did my own foundation.
You did? But you're not doing your own makeup.
No.
So MamaStarrr and I are getting ready. Can y'all see who's here? Ronnie.
Ronnie's here.
And we have housekeeping on the bed today.
Housekeeping.
Hello.
Hello.
Aloha.
Guys, lashes on vacation. Don't like it, but I look so good in it.
I like my lashes up to Jesus. Like
Oh.
this. Like this one.
No.
Why? Where do you use this? And I brought my PatrickStarrr powder.
Guys, you know what? Even if it's a daytime, I still be smoking out my under lash line. I think it's just so me. Just makes such a difference. You can also use bronzer under here too, y'all. But how cool that we're getting ready together in VR. Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? Do you guys care for it?
In front of the ocean.
Yeah, and I don't know if you guys can hear we're in front of the ocean. It's just kind of cool. I think it's really, really neat, really different. We are so relaxed over here, y'all.
I put your name there, Patrick, in the sand.
How cute. It's also my discount code.
Oh, I should make it everywhere then. Discount code. PSTARRR, all caps.
Oh, wow. Kabalo.
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 I know. Kabalo ako sang discount code. Kung mabakal ka mo sa makeup sa Morphe, gamiton nyo ng discount ni PatrickStarrr.
Ay, longgo ka,
Capital.
Day.
Taga Bacolod.
Taga Bacolod.
Hello, taga Bacolod. Kamusta? Ma-makeup ta.
What did you say?
I said, if you want to buy more makeup in Morphe, use PSTARRR discount. All caps, PSTARRR. And I wrote it in the sand. You better look for it and let me know.
It's gone, Mom.
No, it's over there by the rocks. I don't know if you followed my story today, but I was telling a story about our 32-year wedding anniversary. 32 years ago, in the Virgin Islands, we wrote it on the sand that someday we will have our own house by the estate. And now we have a greenhouse by the estate. So dream come true. But I think the best part is you have to have a vision board and you visualize and feel the waves and hear the waves making me sleepy.
Mm-hmm.
So if I close my eye,
So relaxing here.
very relaxing. I'm listening to the waves and imagining these people that were doing yoga this morning, and I was just about to do it in the balcony. And I've seen people doing yoga under the trees by the beach, and other, I think there's one in Alani and there's one in Marriott Hotel, and there's somebody who was doing it on the boogie board. Isn't it crazy?
Guys, if you are on a tropical vacation, a blush that y'all need is just very something soft and peach-like. It's not too pink. And it looks good with yellow. Ronnie, what should I do for the photo shoot? Should I do a black wig?
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
For the family pics?
Yeah.
It'd be nice.
You wanna do that? You wanna do that J-Lo wig?
No, I'm just asking what would look better.
You wanna do the J-Lo wig?
No, I'm just asking.
Mm-hmm. She thinks she's J-Lo, y'all. She dropped 2 music videos, a couple of collections, and what else did what else did we
I
drop?
just see her at the billboards.
Girl.
I'm just kidding.
J-Lo. I sense a collaboration, Jen. Imagine.
I love her.
I love J-Lo.
Ah, my skin looks so good. For lips.
You got that from me.
What?
Your skin.
Oh.
Look.
You're fully in makeup.
That's natural skin underneath the makeup.
Okay.
She's talking about the skin, not the makeup.
Okay.
I have good skin, except the eczema
Yeah, we have eczema, you guys.
on my hands and on my legs.
Smells so good.
Yeah, it smells like donuts. What?
What?
It smells like food, like
Vanilla.
a sweetness of a donut.
Is it? Yeah, that's true. Like frosting.
What's on the top of the palette? Lemons?
Shut up, Peter.
Yeah.
True.
I need this palette. I need a Christine Dominique palette. I need a Redmond palette. I need a Adeline palette. Ronnie knows every pinch,
Huh?
every millimeter of my wrinkle. You do. No one do it like you do. Ronnie's the best.
Do you see my Mac? Oh, is that mine?
Which one?
This?
Yeah.
Oh, where's my highlighter? Do you have it too? Oh, there it is.
Oh, these 2 are yours. No, that's hers.
Is this mine?
Yeah, that one's yours. These 2 are yours. I
Oh,
just threw it
see?
there just to
You
be-
cannot get this, kiddo. This is my collection.
Oh.
You didn't know.
She wrote. Show the
You
camera.
know, no one could steal this. This is from my treasure, MamaStarrr.
Alright, guys, I'm pretty much done with my makeup. We'll go ahead and visit MamaStarrr when she's done with the complete look, and I'm gonna go ahead and change into my Botanical Gardens outfit, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright, everyone, this is the finish. Get ready with me. I hope you guys love this virtual reality, and I do apologize for the construction in the back. They would not shut up, but thank you so much to MamaStarrr for being here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
Bye.